got those wings up too.
You're probably gonna be a little bit nose down when you take off, so be ready for it to dive to nose. No.
What's fans in there, Frank? With the 3674? Okay.
Taking off!
Take off!
They heard you. That was easy.
Nosing down. Keep your speed, Frank.
I don't even think you went to full, did you?
No, I did not go to full.
Yeah, didn't sound like it. Somebody landing from the right. Looks good.
How's the elevator is weird, isn't it?
Elevator is fine. It feels like it's dancing.
It is. And that could be coupling. I mean, not coupling. Adverse yaw. Looks good. Yeah, you've got a little adverse yaw. You need a rudder to aileron to rudder mix.
Very easy to fly.
Landing, left to right. I think that battery needs to go back or something.
Does it feel right?
Weird.
Feel weak?
It's like
Or what?
shaking a lot.
Try to put some rudder in with your turn.
Well, this I know why it's shaking because of the hydro.
The what?
The hydro?
The hydro.
It's also the ailerons. It's adverse yaw. So use a little when you use our ailerons. Put the rudder in the same direction and it'll go away. I like the sound.
Full?
Nose down. Nose down.
Yeah, you need a lot of compensation.
Everybody okay?
Yep.
You might have some rudder trim too and not realize it.
Yeah, you need to trim your rudder. A good point.
Because when you turn to the left, it dives. When you turn to the right, it does something funky.
That could be the wind direction.
You guys are really close.
Yeah, I know. Landing, can I come in and land? Landing!
Oh, yeah, it takes forever for the gear to go down.
So do a gear pass and circle around. That's scale. It takes a long time.
Yeah, it's scary as well if you need to land fast.
Yeah.
Landing!
Landing left!
Alright, I'm landing right behind you.
Your flaps? No. Nose down.
There you go. You're good. You're good. You're good. Nice.
It feels like
You can
either,
turn it. It won't.
I feels like either I don't have
He's
the
coming in,
CG
too.
right. Yeah.
I was noting this with Paul's plane too. Whenever you hit ailerons, the plane does this weird shimmy and shake. Does this weird shimmy shake, and that's usually adverse yaw. So you need to put in a mix. Notice, see what I mean? Stuff just rolls forever here.